So now I'm going to show you how to insert a hyperlink into your Google document. And basically it just, if somebody else was viewing the document on their computer, it's a link that would take them to either a URL or an email or a bookmark and some other things. And I'll show you how to do that. So to create a hyperlink, I'm just going to highlight the text I want to link, and then I'll go up to this little link button right here. And then it brings up the insert link box. And you have these different options. URL, which will just go to another website. You can actually link to a document, another document that you've created. You can see the other document I created right there. You can link to a bookmark. I'll show you how to create bookmarks later, but basically you can, if you have a really large document, you can create bookmarks and then link to specific parts of the document just using that bookmark. And then you can link to an email address, which will, when the person clicks on it, their default email client on their computer will open up an email to that person. Just for demonstrations, I'll just show you how to do the URL. And you can copy and paste the URL, or if you know it, just type it in. And then the link display, this is what the text will say. And by default, since I hyperlinked, or since I highlighted this text and then hyperlinked it, this is what shows up, but I could change it if I wanted to. And then the flyover is what shows up when you mouse over the hyperlink. And I'll show you how this works once I create this. And then you can choose if you want to open the link in a new window. Otherwise, it's going to open in the current window, which is the document they're looking at. So probably a good idea to open in a new window. And then I'll just insert the link. And then you can see it turns blue and underlines like a link in any other web page. And to show you how it works, I'll actually preview the document. So before I was editing it, and this is what it would look like if I sent it to somebody and they were looking at it on their computer. And then you can see when I mouse over, I get that little flyover. And when I click it, and a new window, Expert Village pops up. So that's basically how you create a hyperlink. And see, I'm on the previewing the page, and if I want to go back to editing, I'll just click right there to edit the page, and now I'm back. So that's how you create a hyperlink. And if I ever wanted to go back and edit it, I can actually just select it and right-click to change or remove link right here. And it brings up the same box, and I can change it how I want. So that's inserting a hyperlink into a Google document.